Imagine a global workplace. It consists of people working across boundaries, people connected through processes that involve the flow of content that empowers intelligent business decisions. What if the workflow is blocked? Your value chains will crumble. Your customers will lose trust. Your business ecosystem will collapse. The solution lies in digital transformation. Convert chaos into clarity and digital information into actionable intelligence. Rethink and reinvent the way you work. Make business decisions at digital speed. Let your information breathe. Create adaptive frameworks using collaborative process modeling. Let your processes breathe. Redefine customer experiences. Deliver personalized, interactive, and on-demand customer communications. Let your relationships breathe. For years, NewGen has touched the lives of hundreds and millions of people, helping global companies breathe in a networked world. From redefining banking for one of Asia Pacific's largest private sector banks, to enabling e-governance for a policymaking body in Africa, from optimizing operations for a leading insurance company in the Middle East, to enhancing customer experiences and driving stronger regulatory frameworks for a leading healthcare payer in the United States. Ride the wave of digital transformation with NewGen. Get mobile. Get social. Get cloud. Get analytics. No matter what business or service you deliver, NewGen can transform it. Breathe digital.